Hey there, curious minds. Get ready to dive into a world of incredible facts about a creature that defies common sense. The giant freshwater stingray. Yes, you heard that right. It's not just the oceans that hold these majestic beings. Our inland waters, like mighty rivers and deep lakes, are home to gigantic and equally fascinating versions of these true aquatic gems. Forget everything you think you know about stingrays, because today we're going to demystify and reveal the secret life of these creatures that seem straight out of a sci-fi movie. The enigmatic giant freshwater stingray. Imagine a flattened fish, almost like a disc, but one that can reach impressive sizes, weighing hundreds of pounds and measuring several feet from end to end. That's right. While most stingrays are associated with marine environments, some lineages have evolved to thrive in freshwater ecosystems, developing unique characteristics that have made them perfectly adapted to these habitats. Brazil, with its vast and rich Amazon basin, is one of the few places in the world where you can find some of the largest and most enigmatic species of giant freshwater stingrays. The lives of these stingrays are a mystery to many, but for science, every discovery about them is a treasure. They live at the bottom of rivers and lakes, in areas with slow currents, where they can easily camouflage themselves in the sand or mud. Their color typically blends with their surroundings, making them almost invisible to predators and prey. And speaking of prey, freshwater stingrays are nocturnal predators, using their sense of smell and electrical sensors to detect small fish, crustaceans, and invertebrates hidden in the substrate. Remarkable features and reproduction. One of the most notable features of these stingrays is their barb, located on their tail. This barb is a powerful defensive weapon, capable of injecting venom that can cause intense pain and other severe symptoms. It's a reminder that, despite their beauty and intrigue, these creatures deserve respect and should be observed with caution. However, attacks on humans are rare, and usually occur when the stingray feels threatened or is accidentally stepped on. The reproduction of freshwater stingrays is also a fascinating process. Unlike many fish that release their eggs into the water, stingrays are viviparous, meaning their offspring develop inside the mother and are born fully formed and independent. This reproductive strategy increases the chances of survival for the young, who enter the world with all the necessary tools to venture into the vast aquatic world, facing threats and conservation efforts. However, the existence of these freshwater giants is under threat. Environmental degradation, river pollution, dam construction, and overfishing are all factors that directly impact their populations. Habitat loss and river fragmentation hinder their movement and reproduction, jeopardizing the survival of these unique species. Raising awareness about the importance of preserving these ecosystems is crucial to ensuring the future of stingrays. Various research and conservation projects are being developed around the world to protect freshwater stingrays. Scientists are working to better understand their habits, life cycle, and the threats they face, seeking effective solutions for their preservation. The participation of local communities and sustainable ecotourism also play a crucial role in protecting these animals and their habitats. Unveiling the mystery, there's still so much to learn about these mysterious creatures. Every new discovery brings us closer to unraveling the secrets of their lives and understanding their role in freshwater ecosystems. The journey to learn about giant stingrays is an adventure that takes us to unexplored places and connects us with the incredible biodiversity of our planet. Have you ever imagined encountering a creature that seems straight out of a fiction movie, but actually lives in the depths of the world's most famous rivers? Get ready to dive into a universe of mystery and grandeur, where the Amazon's nature holds secrets that defy our imagination. We're talking about one of the largest and most impressive inhabitants of freshwater, the giant freshwater stingray, an animal that, despite its beauty and imposing presence, is still little known by many, and that hides peculiarities that will leave you speechless. Think of a living flying saucer, with a long whipping tail, silently gliding across riverbeds. That's the image the giant stingray evokes. But the reality is even more fascinating. They're not just big, they're true queens of the rivers, adapted to a complex and challenging environment. Every detail of their anatomy, from their flattened body shape to the location of their eyes and spiracles, is a masterpiece of evolution, allowing them to camouflage perfectly and surprise their prey. Despite their size, which can reach an impressive 6 feet in diameter and weigh hundreds of pounds, these stingrays are incredibly discreet. They prefer the deeper, murkier waters of the Amazon basin's rivers, where they feed on small fish, crustaceans, and invertebrates. Their hunting technique is a mix of patience and explosive action. They stay motionless on the bottom, waiting for the right moment to snap up their victims with surprising agility for an animal of their size. But don't be fooled by their calm demeanor. The giant stingray's tail is armed with one or more serrated, venomous barbs. This defense mechanism, though rarely used against humans without provocation, is extremely effective against natural predators and a reminder of the power nature carries. The pain caused by the sting is intense, and the venom can lead to serious complications, reinforcing the importance of respect and caution when approaching these animals. A call to action for conservation. The reproductive life of the giant stingray is also quite a spectacle. They are ovoviviparous, meaning the eggs develop inside the mother's body, and the young are born fully formed and able to survive on their own. This parental care, even if indirect, is crucial for the perpetuation of the species in an ecosystem. As dynamic and sometimes hostile as the Amazon, the mystery surrounding the giant stingray deepens when we consider the limited research and information available about them. Unlike other large Amazonian animals, like the pink river dolphin or the manatee, the stingray is still the subject of many studies and discoveries. Each expedition, each new underwater image, reveals a bit more about their habits, migratory routes, and interactions with the environment. It's an invitation for the curious and scientists to uncover what is still hidden. Unfortunately, like many other inhabitants of the Amazon, the giant freshwater stingray faces increasing threats. Habitat loss due to deforestation, river pollution, and overfishing are some of the challenges that jeopardize the survival of this magnificent species. Awareness and conservation actions are fundamental to ensuring that future generations can also marvel at these aquatic giants. Imagine the thrill of a researcher spotting one of these majestic creatures in its natural environment, gliding elegantly through the dark waters. It's a sight that inspires respect and admiration for our planet's biodiversity. The giant stingray isn't just an animal, it's a symbol of the Amazon's natural richness, a treasure that needs to be protected and understood in its entirety. So, the next time you think about large animals, remember the giant freshwater stingray. It's living proof that our world still holds unimaginable surprises and that nature, in its infinite wisdom, creates life forms that surpass any fantasy. The preservation of these incredible beings and the entire Amazonian ecosystem is a responsibility for all of us. By learning more about them, we become guardians of a natural heritage that belongs to humanity. The future of the giant stingray and countless other species depends on our choices and our commitment to sustainability. May our curiosity about these mysteries inspire us to act. So, next time you think of stingrays, remember, they don't just live in the oceans. Rivers and lakes hold their own mysteries, and giant freshwater stingrays are one of the most impressive. They remind us of life's adaptability and the importance of protecting every corner of our nature. Did you enjoy uncovering the secrets of this incredible creature?